Namaskar and good morning. Today we'll take a look at one fertilizer company, Coromandel International Limited. Coromandel International Limited, which has turned out excellent Q1 results. In fact, its Q4 results, previous results were also excellent. The management consists of M. Murugappan, chairman. Murugappan is the chairman. V. Ravichandran is the vice chairman. Samir Goyal is the managing director. Let's take a look at the results. Net sales 3,213 crores. Previous quarter 2,869 crores. So quarter on quarter there is an increase of about 12%. And Q1 of last year 2,131 crores. 2,131 crores. Now 3,213 crores. Therefore, year on year increase is 50.8%. Year on year increase is 50.8%. Very good. Excellent. Quarter on quarter increase is also 12%. There is quite a good reason to feel proud of that. Interest has come down from 79.59 crores to 43.44 crores. There is a 45.42% decrease in interest burden. So, the company is consciously reducing its interest burden. Quarter on quarter also there is a small decrease, 0.02%. Now, profit before tax 338 crores compared to 314 crores in the previous quarter and 95.19 crores in Q1 of last year. So, the profit before tax has increased by 255% year on year and 8% quarter on quarter. Tax has increased from 32.61 crores in Q1 of last year to 79.96 crores in the previous quarter to 89.61 crores in the present quarter. So tax has increased by 175% in the year on year, 12% quarter on quarter. Net profit is 248 crores compared to 234 crores in the previous quarter and 63 crores in the Q1 of last year. So net profit has increased by 296.32% year on year. Very good. 296.32% year on year net profit. Sales has increased by 50.8%. Net profit has increased by 296.32% year on year. And there is also a small increase quarter on quarter. 7% increase. Equity is static at 29.32 crores. Reserves are good at 4,288 crores. Basic EPS is 8.55. Quite good. Excellent growth is there from 2.13 last year to 8.559. And now market price is around 784, 785 like that now. So price earning comes to around 23. Price earning 23 is slightly higher, but the way Coromandel is performing, 23 seems to be okay. 52-week low is 336.5. 52-week high is 828.55. Therefore, the current market price of 784 is somewhat closer to 52-week high. 336 is the lowest. 828 is the highest. Now is 784. It is somewhere in the middle. Now, if you look at the growth in the prices historically, 1 year before the price was 396, now 840, something like that. 2 years before the price was 406. 3 years before 435. Even 3 months before 551. Compared to that, 784 is quite high. It has gone up by leaps and bounds. during the last 3 years and even during the last 3 months. Now, if you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters' shareholding is 59.6%, but in March quarter, that is earlier quarter, 61.63, 61.63 to 59 point, there is a reduction. EID Parry has sold some 3%, something like that. Oh, promoters. Pledge is 0 point. Still, the current shareholding is quite good, 59.6. FIA sold very little, insurance companies hold very little, mutual funds sold almost 16%. Other DIA sold 9.6. So, external participation is less, but internal participation is quite good. Now, if you look at the strengths, see, trailing 12 months EPS has been growing considerably. We have seen that from around 3 to 8.5 now. So, it has grown, trailing EPS. So, good quarterly growth it can be seen on all the quarterly results. Net profit margin, net profit have been increasing both year on year and quarter on quarter. So, annual net profits also have been increasing during the last 2 years. FIAs are now increasing their holding, but still it is less. Operating profit has been growing very well. Now, 52-week high, it is nearer to that. Will it cross 52-week high? Likely. So, strong momentum is there in the price. So, if you look at the price chart, 1 year chart indicates steady upward trend from September 19. Now, technical indicators show that the present condition is very bullish. Market cap is 23,438 crores. Price earning is, that is previous year price earning is 22. Price earning is always around 22, 24, 25 like that. But it is okay. Book value is 149.72. Dividend 1200%. So it's a good paymaster. Dividend is, they are giving very good dividends. Industry price earning is 9.92, but Coromandel price earning is above 22. Last trading 12 months EPS is 36. Price to book is 5.34 and face value is just ₹1. As I said, EID Parry has sold stake to some extent. So, in fact, at that time the share price fell. Now again it may increase. So, it is challenging times, the price, still the company is performing very well. Many brokerages say that they have put a buy on this. Debt equity ratio is very healthy at 0.3. It has come down from 0.37 previous quarter. Debt service coverage ratio is 9.96 now. That is also quite good. Interest service coverage ratio is 9.96. That's also quite good. So, revenue, profits, everything is going up very well. So, in a challenging environment, it has done well. That's the most important thing. Now, rains are there. Good rains are there. Therefore, the future quarters also can be excellent. So, COVID has impacted the performance in April and to some extent in May also. Still, now it has gone back to normal. It is trading close to 52-week high. We have seen that. Consistent revenue growth, profit growth, decent return on capital employed. ROC is around 23%, strong balance sheet. Now, so it's manufacturing. Now, if you look at the company profile, it's manufacturing fertilizers, crop protection chemicals, specialty nutrients, organic compost. All are very much required by farmers. So, phosphatic and potash segments, both are there. Now, if you look at the previous quarter's results, there also revenue has grown by 51% year on year, and the profit after tax has grown by 301%. Then also, now also 301%, then also 301%. That's what I am saying. Coromandel International has done very well. The only negative point is the high price earning ratio. But improving net profit by 301% every quarter is not a small thing. The crop protection segment has grown 54% year on year in both domestic and export markets. So recently installed one phosphatic acid plant that has led to a strong 75% uptick in phosphatic acid sales. DAP volumes also has seen significant growth. So last crop was very good. So farmers are having reasonable cash, so they are buying all these fertilizers, etc. very well. The locust attack worked in favor of the company. So they wanted insecticides. So and labor also shortage. Therefore, people are using more insecticides. Now, in October 2019, Coromandel put up its phosphoric acid plant. Because of that, the raw material costs and availability have eased for Coromandel. Earlier, it used to depend a lot for phosphoric acid on outside sources, imports, etc. Now, raw material situation is easing. There is not much problem now. Earlier, due to lockdown, there was problem. Now, there is not much of a problem. But there is one small problem. The central government has released a draft proposal to ban 27 insecticides. Of that, 4 are manufactured by Coromandel, also like Mancozeb, Malathion, Acephate, Monocrotophos, etc. Whether the ban will be implemented or not is not very clear, but the industry associations have protested very strongly on that. So we'll have to wait and see. So what will be its effect, we don't know. Of course, these are 4 chemicals, but there are so many chemicals in the pocket of Coromandel, and Coromandel is manufacturing new ones also. So FY22 also people are expecting very good growth. Now onwards, we are expecting good growth in Coromandel International. Coromandel International has done well in Q4 and Q1 both. And it has put up a backward integration plan that is going to help it a lot. And normal rains are there. Normal rains will help Coromandel sales. The corona situation is not affecting Coromandel International much. The only negative proposal is of the government wanting to ban for several insecticides. Government's intention may be correct, but industries have represented that no, it should not be banned. Both have their own viewpoints. Let us see. But Coromandel is a good company, progressing very fast, introducing new products and growing very well. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with a very good company again once more. Thank you.